Is Printful an overpriced print-on-demand company? That's coming up. Welcome back to the channel. It is the final Tuesday of 2020. I hope you've had a great year, but you're probably ready as I am to put 2020 behind us and kick off 2021, new year, new beginnings, and new opportunities. If we don't know each other, my name's Kerry, and I created this channel to bring you the best strategies, secrets, and hacks to grow your online business. And today we're going to take an in-depth look at the pricing from Printful. Printful is probably the most popular print-on-demand provider out there. And so today we're going to find out if their pricing is on point with their competitors or if they're charging way too much. So let's dive in. All right, here's how this is going to go. I've selected 10 of the most popular products from Printful, and then I've went out and done my research with about 20 other print-on-demand companies and compared the pricing for those same 10 products. So I'm going to give you the pricing from Printful, the highest price I could find among the competitors, the lowest price I could find among the competitors, the median price, so about the average of what you should be paying for that product, and then what the difference was with the average compared to Printful. Let's do it. The first item we're going to look at is the GILDAN 64,000 soft style t-shirt. Printful is offering this to you at $7.95. The highest price I could find was $10.97, and the lowest price I could find was $6.39. That's a median price of $8.20. So that's a difference of 25 cents. That means Printful was about 25 cents cheaper than their competitors on average. The next item is the ever popular Bella & Canvas 3001 unisex t-shirt. Now Printful is offering this t-shirt for $12.95. The highest price I could find was $11. The lowest price I could find was $8. That's a median price of about $8.97, and that's a difference of $3.98 compared to Printful. So Printful is charging you almost $4 more for this t-shirt compared to their competitors. The next t-shirt is the Next Level 3600 unisex t-shirt. Now Printful is offering this to you for $14.50. The highest price I could find was $11. The lowest price I could find was $8. The pricing was similar to the 3001, but there were a few varying prices. That brought us to a median price of $9.15, and that's a difference of $5.35 compared to Printful. So on average, Printful is charging you $5.35 more for the Next Level 3600 compared to their competitors. All right, we're moving into hoodies, and I recently did a video about the best hoodies for print on demand, and we found that across the print on demand providers, the most consistent hoodie was the GILDAN 18500, and I'm going to link that video right up here if you want to take a look at that. But we're going to take a look at the pricing for that GILDAN hoodie right now. Printful is offering it to you for $20.75. The highest price I could find was $18.50, and the lowest price I could find was $15 even. That brought us to a median price of $17.81, and that's a difference of $2.94 compared to Printful. So Printful is charging you on average almost $3 more for the GILDAN hoodie more than their competitors. Next up is the GILDAN 18,000 crew neck sweatshirt. Now Printful is offering this to you for $17.75. The highest price I could find was $14.20, and the lowest price I could find was $12.50. That's a median cost of $13.70, and that's a difference of about $4.05 compared to Printful. So Printful is charging you a whopping $4.05 more on average, more compared to their competitors. Next up is embroidered hats. Now, because hats are a little bit less consistent with brands across the print-on-demand providers, I've broken this down just into the three most common types of hats. The first kind are dad hats, the second kind are trucker hats, and the third kind are just standard snapback hats. The first hat we'll look at is the standard dad hat. Now, again, these are embroidered hats. Now, Printful is offering you an embroidered dad hat at $15.95. The highest price I could find among their competitors was $13.25, and the lowest price was $11.13. That brings us to a median cost of $11.52, and that's a difference of $4.43 per hat compared to Printful. So on average, Printful is charging you $4.43 more than their competitors. Next up is a standard snapback hat. Printful's offering a snapback hat at $14.95. The highest price I could find was $14.16, and the lowest price I could find was $11.75. That's a median cost of $12.95, and that's a difference of about $2 per hat. So on average, Printful is charging you about $2 more per hat than their competitors. All right, lastly in the hat section is the standard trucker hat. Printful is offering this to you at $13.95. The highest price I could find was $12.27, and the lowest price I could find was $12 even. We had a median cost of $12.13, and that's a difference of $1.82 compared to Printful. So on average, Printful is charging you $1.82 more for a trucker hat than their competitors. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, would you mind liking it? Just take a second, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people, and it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is good content. And I also want to ask you to consider subscribing to our channel. We put out new videos every single Tuesday and Friday, and we'd love to have you as a part of the family. Let's dive back into the content. All right, lastly, we're going to talk about mugs, and fair warning, the pricing gets a little bit crazy here. For a standard white 11-ounce ceramic mug, Printful is charging you $7.95. Now, the highest price I could find among their competitors was $5.90, and the lowest price I could find was $3.25. That's a median cost of $4.35, and that's a difference of $3.60 compared to Printful. So on average, Printful is charging you about $3.60 more per 11-ounce mug than their competitors. All right, this one gets even crazier. For a white 15-ounce ceramic mug, Printful is charging you $10.95. The highest price I could find was $9.25, and the lowest price I could find was $3.75. The median cost among the competitors was about $5 even. That's a difference of $5.95 compared to Printful. So Printful is charging you on average $5.95, almost $6 more per 15-ounce mug than their competitors. All right, so what can we conclude here? Well, Printful is charging more, and I would say considerably more, for 9 out of the 10 products that we looked at against all their competitors. And the only exception to that was the GILDAN 64,000 soft style t-shirt, where they were on average charging you about 25 cents less than their competitors. But for every single other product, they're charging you more on average than pretty much any print-on-demand provider that you could find. I struggled to find anybody that was even close in most of these products when we're talking about the price. Next, you're probably asking, why do so many people use Printful? Why isn't the most popular print-on-demand provider if they're so overpriced? And there's definitely a number of reasons for that. First of all, Printful has an expansive product catalog. They offer a bazillion products, pretty much anything you can think of right there. Number two, they have exceptional print quality. It's very consistent and their colors are vibrant. They also have a great, easy to use app inside Shopify, and they also integrate with pretty much any e-commerce platform. Even places like Etsy integrate seamlessly with Printful. So there's a number of reasons why they're great for beginners. They're great for the mass print-on-demand sellers, and they work with just any platform you can think of. Number of reasons why you would use Printful. So the last question is, do I recommend that you use Printful regardless of how bad they're gouging you with their prices? And personally, I do not recommend Printful. Yes, I think they're a great company. I think they have great quality, customer service, and a great catalog. But I definitely think that you can find a solid print-on-demand provider that's going to have much better profit margins. And I think profit margin is one of the most important things when it comes to print on demand. You want to be able to offer your products at a decent price and still make a healthy margin. So I don't recommend Printful for you to use as your print on demand provider. Did you know that we have a completely free 60-minute masterclass called How to Sell Thousands of T-shirts and Apparel Items Using the Shirt School System? And you can watch it for free by just going over to shirtschool.com, put in your email, and you'll be able to watch it right there. No gimmicks. Watch that entire 60-minute masterclass right there. And I'm going to teach you and break down my Shirt School system that's helped hundreds of print-on-demand and T-shirt sellers across the globe grow and scale their sales and profits, or learn how to get started with a profitable online t-shirt or print-on-demand business. So head over to shirtschool.com and give that a watch, and we will see you on Friday.